As Fox 4 meteorologist Andrew Shipley is about to join us as we take a look over the Colusa Hatch and what's been at least a clear but hot day here. Still trying to see and the connection for how these storms keep pushing through and also the impact here in Southwest Florida.
Yeah, that's right, Chris. And we are going to see the very, very edge of this frontal boundary kind of clip us here tonight. And that's all it's going to do is flip the winds. Going to be a little bit more of the north tomorrow. But really, we continue to watch this storm system move across. And you mentioned the Delaware folks today seeing that funnel cloud. Well, that was all part of that line of storms that's now just pushed offshore right now. But take a wider look at things. This is storm reports over the last 48 hours. You can see all the tornado reports across basically St. Louis to Chicago, up towards Cincinnati, and then down through the Memphis area, including Little Rock there, and also that tornado and funnel cloud there in, again, in the northeast there today. But we are looking ahead towards Tuesday, the next system moving across, and unfortunately, those same folks in the heartland are expected to see another round of severe weather and tornadoes later on this week, and obviously we'll continue to follow that moving forward. But here tonight in Southwest Florida, pretty quiet. We had a little bit of shower activity off towards the East Coast this afternoon. Unfortunately, none of that made it really towards our direction. We could sure use it, but we are looking at a warm night for us. Temperatures in the mid-70s right now, dropping into the lower 70s. I think we'll bottom out at about 71 or so here tonight. And looking at areas of fog developing after midnight here, and some of that could be locally dense as we start the day on Sunday. So I do want you to just give yourself an extra couple minutes if you got to be somewhere before 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Though once the sun comes up, I think most of that fog should dissipate rather quickly out there tomorrow. But in terms of the rest of the day after the fog in the morning hours, you get that breaking on up, and you're looking at really pretty much mostly sunny skies through the day here. I can't rule out maybe a quick spit or spat, but not enough to really cut into the deficit or in the drought or anything like that. But just up along the sea breeze, we'll keep an eye on it for you. But in terms of temperatures, another hot day, 89 degrees, Fort Myers, as well as Cape Coral, 88 there, Punta Gorda. How about Naples at 86 degrees? You get inland Colusa, for example, 90 degrees, 93 in Immokalee. Shy of records by a few degrees, but doesn't mean we aren't toasty out there. Looking at, definitely above normal temperatures expected for your Sunday. We're supposed to be at 83, 89 is the forecast. And you notice I circled the Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Those are the days we look like we're going to break records again. And then looking ahead to Friday and Saturday with a degree shy of record temperatures there. So a hot week ahead of us. So you think yesterday and today and much of March was hot. Even warmer temperatures are going to be on the way, and no rain, unfortunately, really to go along with it. Just a measly 10%, and that means this deficit just continues to grow here. We need rain. I mean, this is our dry season, but we're still running that deficit anywhere from 4 to almost 6 inches below normal. You can see that in the 7-day forecast, not a raindrop in sight as we continue to warm those temperatures out, which means we're drying out even more, Chris.